Thanks for checking out my entry in Sumos Projects 2020 Scrapbook Challenge. I really enjoyed this project and hope you enjoy it too. Keeping things under 3 minutes was tricky. If there's enough interest, I'll release a long form version of this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There's a link to a copy of the plans in the description if you're interested in making one yourself. Oh, and don't forget to check out the other challenge entrants. You'll be amazed at what people are coming up with.